Welcome back, science enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of the extraordinary and the unknown. Ever wondered what makes the universe tick or what bizarre secrets lie hidden in the natural world? Well, you're in for a treat. In this video, we're uncovering 5 mind-blowing science facts you've never heard before. From cosmic mysteries to mind-bending phenomena, get ready to have your curiosity sparked and your imagination ignited. Let's explore the wonders of science that might just blow your mind. Quantum tunneling, the mysterious power of particles. Imagine a ball rolling up a hill. If the ball doesn't have enough energy, it'll just roll back down, right? In the world of classical physics, that's exactly what happens. The ball needs enough energy to overcome the barrier. Now, in the quantum world, things get weird. Particles like electrons don't behave like regular objects. They exist in a state of probabilities, meaning their exact location isn't always certain. And here's where quantum tunneling comes in. Sometimes, a particle can tunnel through a barrier that it shouldn't be able to pass in the classical sense, almost like the ball magically appearing on the other side of the hill without rolling over it. This strange effect is key to many processes in nature, like nuclear fusion in stars. In stars, atomic nuclei fuse together to release huge amounts of energy. Normally, these nuclei are positively charged and repel each other, so they need immense energy to overcome this repulsion. But thanks to quantum tunneling, these particles can bypass the energy barrier and fuse, powering the stars. Even though it seems impossible, quantum tunneling is a fundamental phenomenon that makes the very existence of stars and life as we know it possible. It shows us that, at the quantum level, the universe doesn't always follow the rules we expect. Water memory, the controversial theory that water remembers. Imagine you dissolve a drop of medicine in a glass of water, then dilute it over and over until none of the original substance remains. According to classical science, this water should just be water, but there's a controversial hypothesis that suggests otherwise. This idea is known as water memory. It proposes that water has the ability to remember substances that were once dissolved in it, even after extreme dilution to the point where the original molecules are no longer present. It's as if water retains an imprint or memory of what it once contained. The theory of water memory is often associated with homeopathy, a form of alternative medicine where remedies are repeatedly diluted. Practitioners believe that even though the original substance is gone, its memory in the water can still trigger healing effects in the body. However, water memory is highly debated and lacks solid scientific evidence. Mainstream science has tested it repeatedly and found no consistent proof that water can retain such memory. Critics argue that this idea goes against the established principles of chemistry and physics. Despite the skepticism, the concept of water memory captures the imagination because it suggests that water could possess properties we don't fully understand yet. Whether it's an intriguing idea or just a myth, the mystery of water memory remains one of the more fascinating debates in science. Dark matter and dark energy, the invisible universe. When we look up at the stars and galaxies, we're only seeing a tiny fraction of the universe. In fact, the matter that makes up everything we can see, the stars, planets, galaxies, even ourselves accounts for just about 5% of the total universe. So, what about the other 95%? That's where the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy come in. First, let's talk about dark matter. It's called dark because we can't see it or detect it directly. It doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect any kind of light. However, we know it exists because we can observe its effects on visible matter. For example, galaxies spin faster than they should based on the mass we can see. There must be something extra providing this gravitational pull, and that something is dark matter. Though scientists have been searching for it for decades, its true nature remains unknown. Now, let's move on to dark energy, which is even more mysterious. Dark energy is thought to be responsible for the expansion of the universe, pushing galaxies apart at an accelerating rate. While dark matter pulls things together with its gravity, dark energy seems to have the opposite effect, causing the universe to stretch out faster and faster. Like dark matter, we can't detect dark energy directly, but we know it's there because of how the universe behaves. Together, dark matter and dark energy make up 95% of the universe, yet we have no idea what they truly are. These invisible forces shape the cosmos in ways we're only beginning to understand, making them one of the biggest mysteries in science today. Solving this cosmic puzzle could fundamentally change our understanding of the universe. Diamond rain on Neptune and Uranus, the jewel storms of the outer solar system. Imagine a place where diamonds fall from the sky like rain. It might sound like something out of science fiction, but this incredible phenomenon could actually be happening on the distant planets Neptune and Uranus. These planets are known as ice giants, but they're not just made of ice. Beneath their thick atmospheres of hydrogen and helium lie layers of hot, dense gases composed of elements like carbon. Deep within these planets, the pressure is so intense, millions of times greater than Earth's atmospheric pressure, that it could cause carbon atoms to bond together and form diamonds. As these diamonds form, they may fall through the thick layers of gas, sinking deeper into the planet's interior like raindrops. This incredible diamond rain could be occurring continuously on Neptune and Uranus due to their unique high-pressure environments. Scientists believe that this diamond rain might even contribute to the internal heat of these planets, as the diamonds fall toward the core and release energy. While no spacecraft has visited the deep interiors of Neptune or Uranus to confirm this phenomenon, experiments on Earth simulating the extreme pressures of these planets suggest that diamond rain is indeed possible. So, while earthly storms bring rain or snow, storms on Neptune and Uranus might be far more exotic, raining diamonds in a never-ending cosmic shower of jewels. Fermat's last theorem, the 350-year mathematical mystery. Imagine a puzzle so difficult that it stumped the greatest minds in mathematics for over 350 years. This is the story of Fermat's last theorem, one of the most famous problems in the history of mathematics. The theorem was first proposed in the 17th century by French mathematician Pierre de Fermat. It involves a simple equation that looks like this. Plus equals a plus b n equals c n, where a, b, and c are positive whole numbers, and n is an integer greater than 2. Fermat claimed that no set of positive integers could satisfy this equation for n greater than 2. In other words, unlike Pythagoras' famous theorem, where 0.2 plus 2 equals 2a, 2 plus b.2 equals c, 2 can have whole number solutions, Fermat said that no such solution existed for higher powers, like 0.3 plus 3 equals 3a, 3 plus b.3 equals c, 3. Fermat scribbled a note in the margin of one of his books, claiming he had a truly marvelous proof of this theorem but that the margin was too small to contain it. Unfortunately, he never wrote down the proof, and for centuries, mathematicians struggled to figure it out. Despite its seemingly simple premise, Fermat's last theorem resisted every attempt to be proven. Then, in 1994, after years of intense study and struggle, British mathematician Andrew Wiles finally solved the riddle. Using modern mathematical tools and techniques that Fermat couldn't have imagined, Wiles delivered a proof that was over 150 pages long, involving complex branches of mathematics like elliptic curves and modular forms. His work became one of the greatest triumphs in mathematical history, earning him widespread recognition. Fermat's last theorem is more than just a math problem. It's a testament to human perseverance, the power of curiosity, and the beauty of mathematics. What started as a scribbled note turned into a 350-year journey, proving that sometimes the most elegant puzzles require the most extraordinary solutions. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through the unknown. We hope these 5 mind-blowing science facts have expanded your horizons and sparked your curiosity. If you enjoyed these amazing revelations, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more fascinating content, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Got any other mind-blowing facts or science questions? Drop them in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.